At the very least, in a question like this, you should know enough algebra to know that when we take the square root of a number, it means to split it in basically two versions of itself, right? So the square root of 36, you need to know this, is 6. So C and D already don't make any sense just based off of the number 36, ignoring the x entirely. Now, if we did have a calculator for this question, we could plug in a number and test these things out if we weren't sure, but unfortunately here we don't have a calculator, so we're going to need to memorize the rule. And the way that this works is actually counterintuitive to what we just did for the number. The answer is going to be B. The way that I think about this is if we know our exponent rules, we know that the square root is equivalent to an exponent of 1/2. So I could rewrite this radical like this. Okay, now that doesn't really make a lot of sense to me for the 36, but for the x it does, because if I have a power raised to a power, the rule is that we are going to multiply these two numbers. So that is going to leave us with x to the 36 times 1/2. 1/2 of 36 is 18. So there you go. That is the proof. These are not questions that are a priority for most people on the SAT, but occasionally the exponent rules do come up, and you really need to be able to convert between radicals and exponents and to know how exponents change when we work with multiple exponents at a time. Memorize those rules so you can guarantee yourself these points.